Right, I don't know where the rest of the video, the beginning of this video is. It's a couple of days later. I've ordered all my parts. I bought them off transitcentre.ie. I think there must be an Irish company, but found everything very cheap on it. It'll be here Monday. It's now Wednesday. I think everything is shipped in from Poland. They said they're awful helpful on their site. Even people in the UK, they might find things a bit cheaper. I bought everything I needed for the van in the one place, but I went in the first day, ordered, it was €15 shipping and then I went in again later on the next day when I found the seals gone and I needed shoes. I ordered that, and that was an extra €15 shipping, but it's still working out, I think, €50 cheaper on each order, so it was worth €15. Then I went in on the last bit and I looked up oil, and the oil was, I think it was €35 from Ford dealer, and it was coming in at €13. It was like €20 cheaper. And what I'll do is when I get my parts, when I get my invoice here, I'll show it on and people can see if they can get anything cheaper on it. It's just all the hub seals, the pinion, brake shoes, and the nuts and oil. Don't know what else I ordered. A door handle. And one thing I will be ordering is these mirrors are heated and electric. I was looking around a few places second hand. They're still fairly expensive. New, they're €85, probably including VAT as well, so you're up near €100. Off that company, they're not Ford made. They're another brand, but they're 5-pin plug the same, and they're €35 new with everything. Just plug it in. I thought they were a good price, so I will be ordering them again. I should have ordered that, but I'll wait to see what else I need. The oil was very cheap. Let me see. I think the pinion seal, the live seal, was like €5. I don't know how much it'd be off other places. I haven't had a proper look. Well, I had a look on eBay and stuff, just looking quick. I didn't ring around places. What I'm going to do here now is these leaf springs. I'm just going to get them taken apart, and I'm going to try and make up an even set as I can with the bow. And one of them is obviously going to have a bit more of a bow than the other, and I'm going to put that on the passenger side just because of the camber of the roads. You're always going to have a small bit more weight tipping in that way. When you're anyone doing anything on suspensions, just the advice is just better off buying everything proper. The middle bolts that goes through them, and the U-bolts, make sure they're new. Trying to save U-bolts can be a bit dangerous. Well, I just like to change them because I can never get them off. So I'm just going to put this on time lapse, pulling them apart, and I'll try and get that pulled apart.
Never had
looks like I've done there now this evening. It's not too bad, take about an hour and a half. It's awful handy with the air gun and stuff. These are the three here I'm going to put together. I'm going to cut this main one as far up here as I can. Sorry, I'm going to cut this main one as far up here as I can, just to wrap around here. I've ordered extra rubbers, if I can put them on. This is the original Transit one, with the little dimple in it. I'm going to cut this down here to where that fits, just before that gap. It'll fit there. And what I'm going to do with these, I have these two left over. I'm going to cut these. I'm going to cut one of them up, put it on this. I'm going to bolt it all together, put it on, and see do the U-bolts fit correctly. And if not, I'll take it back off again. But I'm hoping it should do. I'm going to leave that video there. If you like it, please like, subscribe. Cheers, thank you. Alright, Sunday here again. Every time I touch this camera, I go to edit stuff, I lose stuff off the video, so I don't know where my updates on this are going. I have my springs, the way I'm putting them together, and they're painted. My job here for today is just try and wire wheel in around here and give that a bit of black paint. And I was thinking, this is so bad here, might just try and wire wheel that and give it a quick paint of white paint along here, just to clean it up a bit. Probably protect the rust for a small while longer. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to do is wire wheel that and give it a quick paint. And out of my leaf springs, I had two 7.5 ton leaf springs, and I managed to fit them into it. I have 4. And the U-bolts I got sent to me from Porty Springs were 35mm smaller than the original ones. So I'm going to stick these back on, and then tomorrow's Monday. I'm going to ring them and see if I can get a new set sent out. And if they're a bit longer, I'm going to put the normal helper spring that goes straight out on it afterwards. That won't be a big job. I'm changing the U-bolts. I'll just shove them into it. Alright, I'm going to leave that there. I'm just going to try and, while this is all off here, I'm just going to wire wheel in here and give the top a quick coat of black paint, and just all the bits that are kind of hard to get to while the axle's off the leaves, I'm going to paint now. And then when I get everything bolted up and this tray is out from underneath, I'll go at all these. I'm not going to do it now and try and work around it, because there's loads of room just to get in here done, and just the top's done. I'll leave that bit for afterwards, makes no big deal, so I'm going to have to paint these hubs when these go in anyway. And tomorrow's Monday. I should be getting all the axle bits tomorrow. Tomorrow as well. Yeah, I'm going to leave that there. Just quick wire wheel all that, then I'm just going to paint it. I won't video doing that. What I've done there is I just painted that bit. When I get the leaves on and this lifted up, I'll get all that inside bit done. I just went along there, wire wheeled it. It's just a brush paint. It's as rough as fuck, but it'll it's a good 10-foot paint job kind of when you stand back here. Looks really good. I'll leave that video there. If you like it, like, subscribe to the channel. What I'll do is when I get this back axle done, I'm going to turn the truck around, and I'm going to do a separate video on just the bits you need. It's only going to be like a minute video. If anyone's doing the front end conversion, the radiator, air box, just all the shit you need, so you don't make the same mistakes I made. And yeah, just leave that video there. Thanks for watching.